Good morning from Canton. It's quite an interesting day because it already started raining today in Canton. We didn't expect rain, but as of now, the main priority is to go get permits. So once we do that, we'll fine. Otherwise, it's going to get difficult if it starts raining. It's already started. I hope it doesn't continue for a very long time. Sikkim welcoming us in rain, because last night when we came it was dark. We have not seen anything, and today we're riding in rain. So once we get those permits, we have no other work here other than to chill today, so that tomorrow morning we can leave. A cop told me that I'm not allowed to wear in flip-flops. अच्छा, नहीं पता था हमको. अभी उन पुलिस ऑफिसर ने बोला कि स्लीपर पहन के राइड करना नहीं चाहिए. नहीं, बूट्स था ना, बूट्स थोड़ा वेट हो गया था, इसलिए फ्लिप फ्लॉप पहनना है.
आपको जूता तो लगाना पड़ेगा, आपको स्लीपर में चिप जाए तो.
हाँ सही है, लेकिन नहीं पता था. अभी रूम से आया ना, राइडिंग गियर पहन के आए हैं, लेकिन अभी रूम से आया इसलिए.
जाके दूसरा बार में जूता लगाना.
ठीक है,
इधर चलने के टाइम में
पता नहीं था हमको.
आज हमने बोल दिया, फिर दूसरे दिन में भी आपको ऐसे ही देख लिया तो पकड़ लेंगे.
ठीक है, ठीक है,
ठीक है, ठीक है. आज आपको मालूम नहीं है इसलिए आपको छोड़ दिया.
हाँ ठीक है,
दोबारा
हाँ पता होता तो पहन लेता पक्का.
ठीक है,
यस, थैंक यू सर.
हम लोग के लिए ना, हम लोग के लिए नहीं है ना.
सही है,
हो गया तो एक्सीडेंट हो जाएगा.
करेक्ट करेक्ट,
ब्रेक नहीं लाएगा.
सही बोल रहे हो.
पानी का रेनी सीजन में तो चौपड़ी में तो ऐसा स्लिप होगा ना.
सही, ठीक, थैंक यू. We just inquired at the permit cell. So the thing is, now we have to come through an agency. We can't come here directly to take a permit, and for each bike we have to pay 200 rupees per day, take a bank receipt, and then before 1 o'clock that agent has to come and submit here so that we get a permit for the next day. So it's a long procedure. We did not know this. So right now we have to find an agent, give him all the details, and tell him to get a permit immediately. I don't know, I don't think it will happen today because now it's 2:30 already. So hopefully we'll get it tomorrow.
कल 16 है.
हाँ,
आप लोग जा रहे हैं नॉर्थ सिक्किम.
हाँ,
पहले गुरुदुम्बर विजिट करना है या 0 पॉइंट, फिर स्टे करेंगे और 7 को मॉर्निंग को उठेंगे.
लाचुंग से 0 पॉइंट.
लाचुंग
चलो यहाँ पे आते हैं. 0 पॉइंट में क्या है?
0 पॉइंट से आप
So we have submitted our documents to get the permits. We have to get separate permits for North Sikkim and East Sikkim, and we don't need any permits for South and West. So for both of us, for around I think 5 or 6 days, we have given 6,000 rupees as a permit charges, including the charges for the agency, and the permit charges and everything costed 6,000 rupees for both of us. So 3,000 rupees per person. Now we are going to get our bikes serviced, just a general checkup, get the chain tightened and stuff like that. We have Royal Enfield, Hero, most of the service centers are available here. But love the weather is so good after such hot conditions. This is like such a blessing. We are getting used to this cold because we are gonna head to North Sikkim, and it's going to be even more cold there. So it's better that we get acclimatized a little bit to this weather, because we've been riding in extreme heat. We'll be fine. Last night when we came, it was almost 11:15, so we didn't see any traffic. Now I am seeing what kind of traffic Gangtok has. Crazy. Okay, bike is all fine. Now need a full tank of fuel. Petrol is the cheapest here, 91.39. Full tank. We are staying in this Greendale Hotel, and the walking street is just 600 meters from our hotel. So we're walking and stairs. Today's workout is done. Fridge magnet, because I can't carry much on the bike, but I bought this. Okay, so regarding the permits, we have to take separate permits for North Sikkim, East Sikkim, West and South. We don't need permits. So right now we have taken a 3-day permit to North Sikkim. That means we can go to Gurdongmar, Lanchon and Lanchen, to 3 places. So we will be leaving tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning we'll get the permits, but we have applied for it today. So if you come here, you have to apply for a permit and then wait for a day, so that you'll get a permit next day in the morning and you can leave directly. I don't know if there's anything else that we can do here. We went to the walking street. There's nothing much to do here, but it was really good. The weather is perfect. It was raining all day today. I hope it doesn't rain tomorrow. I've been told that there is a lot of ice up north, so hopefully we'll get some. I'm very looking forward to it. For the permit, you need your driving license, RC, and 2 address proofs. I gave my driving license and my voter ID. You need a passport size photo. We didn't have a passport size actual photograph, so we had to take one here, but you need an actual passport size photo for it. I don't know why it is required, but it is required. This hotel room is really good. We got it for 1,800 rupees per day, including breakfast. Let me give you a room tour. When you're on a bike ride, a room will be never clean. Never ever. This is the entrance. You have a small bed here, sitting type area. That's the bed. It's all our stuff here. There's a TV which we never used. There's a fan. There's no AC here, which is not required. That's the bed. It's amazing. That's a charging station with a table. There's a cupboard. Mirror here. And the washroom. The best part about this room is the view. The view is amazing. In the daytime, it's amazing. So the COVID RT-PCR report is valid for 72 hours. So you need to get it within 72 hours before coming here, or you can come here and get it done. So that's it for rest day in Sikkim. Tomorrow we leave to North Sikkim for the next 3 days. Videos might not come because there's no internet today. To upload a video, I have taken more than 4 hours and it is still uploading. So video will come late, but videos will come for sure. I was almost fined today for not wearing a boot while riding the bike. It's very weird. I've never seen that rule anywhere. But yeah, that's a rule here, and you're not supposed to ride a bike wearing flip-flops or anything. You have to wear shoes. That's the rule here, or else you can be fined. I was almost fined, and I told him that I did not know this rule, and then he was good enough to let us go. But yeah, it's very weird.